Welcome to Barcodes Philippines. We've been operating since 2017 with a mission of making it easy for businesses to sell their products at retail. So to do this, we offer retail barcodes for a one-off price. We don't require any memberships. We don't have any requirements as to who can have our barcodes. We don't price barcodes differently depending on the size of your business. We just offer them for a one-off cost. We're part of the International Barcodes Network, which has over 1 million barcodes in circulation and has been operating since 2013. We're a member of the PhilGAP's government procurement system in the Philippines, and we also supply barcodes to DTI regions. So on our website we have the homepage that shows an overview of our services. Our main product is the retail barcodes, but we also sell other products too. Sometimes people require shipping carton codes, just carton codes, or ITF-14 codes. These go on the outside of the boxes your product is shipped to the retailers with. We also sell different types of QR codes and ISBN images. Now our homepage lists our most popular products and gives an idea of some of our customers. There's a video here where you can get a quick introduction to our services, and you can start looking at our payment methods, how to pay for the barcodes, and you can see examples of our barcodes being used in the Philippines. We are a service that customers love. We currently have 32 5-star user reviews on Facebook, and also we're rated 5-star for hundreds of reviews on the Trust Verified system. We provide methods for contacting us. That's email, through Viber, through Facebook, instant messaging, and through voice and text calls. And we finish the homepage with some just further detail. We include our Facebook feed so you can see some of our most recent feedback and news that we publish. So with our most popular product, you can just click Buy Barcodes and it will take you to our Retail Barcodes page. This shows you what you get when you buy our barcodes. Now this EAN Retail Barcode product is for any product sold at retail, except for books and magazines, which have their own barcodes. It shows you here exactly what you receive and gives links so you can see what the barcode registration system we have is. You can see an example of a GTIN assignment certificate which comes with every order, and a video walkthrough. We also have a sample package so you can download and see exactly what it is you are buying from us. Now our barcode numbers begin with 06 or 07. There's an international prefix, and these barcodes are supplied by the International Barcodes Network and they are sold all over the world. There is no such thing as a Philippines barcode because the EAN Retail Barcode system is a worldwide standard. So any barcode reader in a shop anywhere in the world should be able to read these barcodes. So on this page you can buy any quantity you want. So if you want to see how many 15 costs, you can just put in 15 here and it'll tell you the total cost and the price per barcode. Or you can look at some of our common package sizes here. Now you'll notice the per barcode cost reduces the more you buy. It's more efficient for us to sell more barcodes, so the cost decreases per barcode. We can do amounts greater than this. There's basically no restriction on the amounts. Now at the bottom of this page it has the common questions. How do you work out how many barcodes you need? Do they work worldwide? and such, which you can have a look through. Now we also have a drop down that allows you to select the type of retail barcode. By default it's set to EAN13, which is the international standard. If you are selling directly in the US or Canada, you select the UPC-A format. As well as that, we offer the ITF carton codes and our QR codes, global location numbers, book images, magazine images, and asset tracking barcodes. I'll just show you the QR codes now, because we have a few different types of QR codes. If we choose an option here, we have our standard QR code, where we encode your link directly into the QR code, so whenever it's scanned it just shows your link, and that's the standard QR code. We also have a dynamic QR code. This one uses our own redirection service, so you can change where the QR code links to at any time. So this is great if you want to put a barcode, a QR code on your product, because it doesn't matter if the end link it's pointing to changes, because we can update that in our system to make sure the QR code goes to the correct place in the future. As part of our QR code service, we also have a custom QR code design. This turns a standard or dynamic QR code, it looks like this, into your brand, your logo. So this can look very nice as opposed to a standard QR code. We also have a few other services. The main one to think about is our barcode registration. Now it's often a very confusing topic, barcode registration, so what we offer is free online barcode registration for all customers who have bought our barcodes. Now, barcode registration online, it's an optional service. How it works is that after buying our barcodes, you're given a link where you can register your barcodes in the International Barcodes database, which I'll just show you. Using this system, into barcode registration, you'll be able to register your barcodes into here. Now, the key advantage of the barcode registration system is we ask for lots of details about your product that you fill in yourself for each barcode number, and then those details are sent to other online databases and they're able to be searched by the search engines. This means there's a much less chance that someone's going to be using your barcode number illegally if they do a search online and find it. But this barcode registration doesn't magically push that data to all your retailers. So you still have to send your product data and each barcode number to every retailer who sells your product. There is no single database for all this information in the Philippines or worldwide. So each retailer holds the registration information, and that means you can change things like price and the weight of your products and things like that. That happens directly with each retailer. You never need to come back to us to change any product details. However, as far as the registration goes, the online registration that we offer, once you've registered through that service, you can't change those details. But as I said, this just helps give your product and your barcode number some visibility on the internet to make it less likely that people are going to try and use it illegally. In the information section, we have a huge amount of content that you can go through. The most common information is in our help section. We have a guide to retail barcodes, which is a PDF that you can download that covers the type of products we sell. We have a help page on how do I get a barcode for my product, which is the most common question we have, which gives a link to where you can actually buy them, and it shows you how to choose how many barcodes you need. And it includes the video that I'm actually talking about now. and again goes over what you actually receive. Also, there's a section on how to pay for your barcodes. We prefer credit, debit card, PayPal, Gcash because, as we say here, if you pay by those methods, as soon as that payment has been successful, the barcodes are automatically sent to you. So you can buy and have the barcodes with you within a few minutes. That's all without filling out any product information with us or any membership information. Then we have a section on how to use your barcode after you've bought it, how you add it into the packaging, bearing in mind the specifications, bearing in mind the color schemes, and printing and sending your product to the retailers. This is all available in the help section. We also have a customers section that lists some examples of our barcodes in use. So you can have a look, see what some other customers are doing. But if we go back to our retail barcode, I will just simulate a purchase. We're going to add, let's add 5 barcodes to our cart. We're going to go and view our cart. So you can see by buying 5 instead of 1, the per barcode price has gone down from 1,599 to 799 each. And that's a one-off cost. You never have to pay anything above that. Now we're on a checkout screen. You just enter your billing details, give a name that's going to appear on the GTIN assignment certificate. The GTIN assignment certificate looks something like this. This is automatically created for each order. It shows the barcode numbers that have been assigned to your company. That example company text is what you put in here at checkout. This also lists the original brand owner in the GS1 database. GS1 won't update that, so we provide the link from the original brand owner who has sold that GTIN prefix range, and that tells us that it's now been issued to you. And retailers can scan this QR code, which will take you to the Barcodes database website I mentioned earlier, which will verify the owner of this barcode sequence. So you just put your details in here, and then you choose your payment method. This is all off-site, securely hosted. So we have the credit, debit card details. We have the Globe Gcash, GrabPay, PayPal Express, and the local banking section. There are many, many options within the local banking for how to pay. You can click on the link to go and view some of the examples. Here are the examples of our over-the-counter cash payments, ATM, convenience stores that can accept payments made using this method. So once you have decided on a payment method, you click Proceed. Depending on the method you've chosen, place the order. And if you've paid by the credit cards, credit debit cards, the Globe Gcash, GrabPay or PayPal, then that should just happen automatically within a few minutes. There are some times when orders don't go through immediately, generally when we ask for information from a customer. For example, if you order a QR code, you would be required at the checkout to give us your website link that you want encoded. So we now proceed to checkout with our QR code included. We see that it's now asking for some information that was going to be encoded into that code. So if you don't provide that, then orders will be held up. We do those manually. So that's our service, and good luck with your product, and we're always here to answer any questions you have.